I am Nalinakshi Swamy from Smart Indexed. What if I told you that on 29 something remarkable happened on the episodic pivot, appeared across all FNO stocks and even on Nifty? This is not a coincidence. When such a pattern shows up across the entire market, it is a clear sign of institutional footprints. A major move is building up. In today's video, I'll explain what this means, how to interpret with the help of my indicator, rolling pivot, and CPR, dynamic CPR, and EP, and how you can prepare yourself, episodic pivot, and how you can prepare yourself before the expansion unfolds. So stay with me till the end. You are going to understand what the institutions are seeing before the rest of the market does. This is the presentation by Nalinakshi Swamy, EP on all FNO stocks and Nifty institutional move decoded. I was able to notice this episodic pivot simultaneously on the Nifty and almost all the FNO stocks near the top. That was on 29th. That is an episodic event. It was indicating market was preparing for something big move. On 29th, EP appeared across most FNO stocks and even on Nifty. This rare event indicates something significant, not stock specific, but a market wide event. Such broad EP formation suggests institutional activity and potential expansion. So this is the EP on Nifty as well as Reliance, Infi, name it, HDFC Bank, all the things, all the other. That is an interesting observation. Meaning of broad EP formation indicates large scale institutional activity. Reflects a shift in overall market sentiment, marks the beginning of an expansion phase after consolidation, or after consolidation, expansion towards the downside that was indicated on the Nifty. So this is very, very important. It is across EP on across Reliance, HDFC Bank, and Nifty index that is glowing. My indicator will show where the EP is formed and it will make you to prepare for the next move before everybody knows. Possible scenarios after EP formation: if it is near support, that is accumulation, possible rally; if it is near resistance, distribution, caution zone. Consolidation before EP starts of the expansion phase. So here, if it were to be EP at the support, it is an expansion to the upside. EP at resistance, it is expansion to the downside. This is an alert before everybody knows. That is the power of episodic pivot indicator. That is an institutional activity which is silently building across the market. Nifty CP candle, that is the anchor actually. The 29th EP candle becomes your key reference anchor. Watch if Nifty holds above or below the EP, high or low. Sustaining above is equal to bullish continuation, below is possible weakness. So you have to mark on 20i 29th, a EP was formed, bullish and bearish EP. So if you mark this high and low of this EP candle, and if you note down, my indicator says what price the EP has formed. It suggests, even it suggests the uh, option premium also. So if you mark it and mark the level on the chart, and you can see if it is a breakdown or a breakout, you can make out from that key reference candle. I'm taking you to the chart directly, EP marked. You can see the EP marked was on 29th, here 29th, 9:15, 26,053. So and this is 25,700, it is at present. See, if you would have marked the high and low of the candle, this is a clear breakdown and a rolling pivot. This is the rolling pivot breakdown also. To yesterday, it was a breakdown from the rolling pivot. That is a huge weakness. You could have made, if you would have made and marked this level, you could have entered into put option long back. As soon as the EP, the next day EP, the price started breaking below the EP candle, you could have taken a put option in this because it is bearish EP. It started moving below the EP candle. Combined with rolling pivot and dynamic CPR. So episodic pivot indicators should be combined with the uh, rolling pivot and dynamic CPR, because see, by seeing the institutional activity EP, you are not able to make out where the structure is going out. For the confirmation, you need, for a directional bias, you need rolling pivot, and dynamic CPR helps validate expansion or reversal zones. EP plus rolling pivot is equal to powerful confirmation for your entries. It is a powerful confirmation for your entries and your short win in the market. Most of the traders do wrong things because during intraday, the big institutional players confuse. That's what they did. In the market yesterday morning 9:15, the price started moving up. Many of the traders might have gone into the call option and they might have caught wrong foot. That will not happen with this. That will not happen with this, and you are trading with conviction and strong bias. So perfect confirmation with the rolling pivot and the EP candle falling below, you can add your trade becomes very powerful. See, I've taken the example actually, I've marked it. Nifty 50 index EP on 29th. See the price next day on 30th, it started falling below the pivot. You could have taken put option over here, 26,000 put option, or 26,100 put option out of the money, in the money. Like that, see how the market has broken below the EP. And the EP, previous EP was formed on 21st, and the EP low candle was 25,000, like that. When it started, it is marking 26,095. When the market started falling below 26,095, you could have, confirming with this present EP, you could have taken a, uh, short position. This is where expansion begins. Traders should prepare for major directional move. Track EP levels and confirm with the structure to write the move only. How do you confirm with the structure? With the structure is rolling pivot plus CPR combination. You can do that. So it is a caution when you see EP, that is an expansion begins, be ready for big moves. To purchase the indicator, WhatsApp me on 98452096000. Watch till the end to learn to trade like a pro. Smart Index Edge by Nalinakshi Swamy. Trade like a pro and WhatsApp me on 98452096000 with EP and rolling pivot. This video and presentation are for educational purpose only. They do not constitute investment advice. Always trade responsibly and manage your risk. It is for educational purpose. The presentation is by Smart Index Edge by Nalinakshi Swamy. Thank you very much, traders. I hope this will bring insight into your trading journey. Thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swamy.